Hey guys, the good folks over at SYNCO sent me these wireless microphones. They're model G3 Pro, digital 2.4 gigahertz. We're going to get them opened up and see what we have in the box, and then we're going to try them out, so stick around. Our warranty card. Our wind guards, got two of those, got two microphones and two clips for the microphones. So it comes in a nice little carrying case. USB-C to USB-C cord. Looks like it comes with TRS and TRRS jacks to connect it to your phone or to your camera or to your tablet or laptop. A dead cat with a ring around it. That's interesting. And two of them. We've got some stuff in here. Let's see what this is. Okay, we have an USB-C to the lightning plug for your iPhones and a USB-A to USB-C for like your computer. And we have our transmitters on each side. Clip up in there with the clip. Put that in there. Slide it up. Looking at the mics, it looks like we have 3.5 millimeter jack right there for our microphones. Plug that in just like that. You can use it as a lav mic, or you can use these straight, just like this. You have a noise cancellation button over on this side, volume up and down on this side, power button right here. It's a bigger microphone right here. Pretty nice. Fairly lightweight, not heavy. This is what I was kind of interested in right here. This is an interesting concept. I've never seen this done quite like this. There's a little silicone strap that goes around your mic here for your dead cat. Block out that wind. Really nice idea. I like that. It does have the contacts on the back of your transmitter right here. They do have tape on them, so you want to remove that tape so you'll be able to get a charge on it. Looking at our receiver, there was the contacts for your transmitter to charge. Our power button on the front. Over on this side, we have our USB-C port. You could plug this into your camera. You have a output for your 3.5 millimeter jack, and you have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack so you can monitor. Also has a third microphone, and right down there, if you can see that, is a rear-facing microphone. So if you have somebody running a camera or something and they want to be part of it, they'll be able to talk as well. Has a little clip right here that you can pop onto your hot shoe on top of your camera. Feels like a nice quality build. Not too heavy, not too light. Large LED screen. Let's see if we have any power. Locked. Okay. Press button to unlock. Okay. Press it again to unlock it. Let's get the camera up a little closer so you can see that screen a little better. You have mic A and B. Scroll over and you can adjust the gain on each one. You have a mute button. You just slide it to the left or to the right to mute it or unmute it. This is for the mic right there. Turn it on or off. You can adjust the gain for your receiver right there. Turn it on and off. You just touch the B. You can adjust the gain on that. Really nice. You can touch the A and you can adjust the gain on that. And you can turn those mics on. And you can turn those, and you can mute the mic also. Have noise reduction when you slide over up here. The mic is on down here. We can go ahead and turn that one off if we would want. Turn that on. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, turning it off turns the mute option off. If you turn it on, that mutes it. Interesting. Opposite of what I thought it would be. Okay, let's turn on our transmitter. I'm not sure which one this will be, A or B. We'll see. Looks like it was B. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. Little LED indicator. Like I said, you have the noise cancellation button right here. Notice it comes up right there. Okay, let's test this out and see how well it sounds. It looks like that gain is a little too much, but if you just talk normal, it looks like it may be good right there. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice it automatically locks after a moment, which is a nice feature because you won't have to worry about bumping that if you've got it sitting on top of a camera or somewhere else. Now, if you wanted to use these on your phone or something, you could connect the receiver to your phone with one of the supplied cords, and you'd be in business. Now, it says it has an 820-foot range, which is really long ways from your camera. I don't think you're going to want to get that far, but that option is there if you need it for some reason. I'm going to get this put over on my camera there, and we're going to see what the audio sounds like coming through the transmitter into the receiver into the camera. Stand by. You can just plug your cord into that out, and the out goes into the input of your camera. Okay, we should be getting audio from the SYNCO now. So test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and hook up the lav mic. I tend to like using the lav mic more so than just a mic like that because of it sticking out like a sore thumb, if you ask me. I know a lot of people prefer it this way, but that's not me. That's a nice looking microphone. You just take the little clip, pop it on there, just like so. Now if you need the wind muff on there, you can put it on there. Okay, we're going to plug it in here. 3, 2, 1. Now it should be coming out the lav mic. Let's get this put on here and see what we got going. Put that on the outside. You can switch this to whichever direction you need it. Now we can take that off. Put this on up here. Just like that. Then you can put that in your pocket or wherever you'd like. Out of sight, out of mind. I'm just going to leave it on the outside for right now. Kind of give you an idea of what it looks like on top of the camera here. Pretty nice. I do like the idea of having the monitor on the top. You don't have to bend down and look in behind it or anything. Got it plugged in right there. So check 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Looking pretty good right there. Want to be careful not to get too loud, but you can fix that in post if you need to. Let's see what it sounds like outside. I'm just going to walk out here and we'll see. We'll do a little walking and talking here. Should be able to get it right through our walls there because it says it'll reach 800 foot or 820 foot, so we'll see. Here we are outside, enjoying the bird bath and just talking on the microphone and seeing how the, oh, can't hold it like that. Covered it up. Watching the cars go by. They're probably wondering, what is that old man doing? Anyway, this is what it sounds like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is still the audio coming out of the SYNCO. The SYNCO G3 Pro. Hey, I was just sitting there editing this video, and the sound quality I am very impressed with. It sounds really good. I give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to get a set of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. And also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.